In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in App Store. We'll walk through 2 easy ways to sign in on your iPhone, plus what to do if you don't have an Apple account yet. By the end, your downloads, updates, and purchases will be connected and ready to go. Let's start with the most common method, using Settings. Find the Settings app on your home screen. It looks like a gray gear, and open it. At the very top, tap Sign In to your iPhone, or if an account is already listed, tap the name area to manage it. Enter the email address or phone number you use for your Apple account, then type your password carefully. If you're prompted for a 6-digit verification code, check your trusted Apple devices or your text messages and enter the code right away. This is two-factor authentication, and it helps keep your account secure. Once you finish, your iPhone is signed in system-wide, which means the App Store connects automatically. You can confirm by opening the App Store and looking at the profile icon in the top right. You should see your initials or photo, and your past purchases will be available. You can also sign in directly through the App Store. Open the App Store, tap the circular profile icon in the top right, and choose Sign In. Enter your Apple ID and password, and complete the 6-digit verification code if you're asked. After this, the App Store knows it's you, so you can download apps, receive updates, and see your purchase history. If you've used this account before, you may notice cloud icons next to apps you previously downloaded. Those are ready to reinstall with a tap. If you don't have an Apple account, you can create one during sign-in. On the sign-in screen, tap Create New Apple Account and follow the guided steps. You'll set up your login details and confirm your information so you can use the App Store and other Apple services securely. Keep your new password safe and make sure you can access the verification method you choose, such as another Apple device or text messages. Here's a quick tip. You only need to sign in once. After that, your Apple account is used automatically for the App Store, iCloud, and downloads, keeping your apps and data consistent across your devices. If a verification code doesn't appear right away, check your other Apple devices, look in your Messages app, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Never share your code with anyone. That's it. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the App Store.